The most outstanding Vietnamese bonsai exhibition, with an international spirit, in late December as Hanoi moved through its vibrant final days of the year. A quiet and profound artistic space opened its doors at the Center for Arts and Culture, 22 HangBuom Street, Hoang District. This was not merely an exhibition venue. It was a place of memory. Long ago, it served as the Guangdong Assembly Hall of the Chinese community, a place that once welcomed the footsteps of Sun Yat-sen, a towering figure in Asian history. Within this historic depth, the most outstanding Vietnamese bonsai exhibition with an international spirit in 2025 unfolded quietly, a rare meeting of trees, people, culture, and the flow of time. An ancient space, a new spirit. Choosing a location in Hanoi's Old Quarter was no coincidence. Aged walls, weathered roof tiles, soft, restrained light. Here, architecture itself became part of the artwork. The bonsai did not stand apart. They entered into a direct dialogue with history, memory, and the urban soul. And that was what made the experience different. For artisans, collectors, and international visitors alike, the message was clear. Bonsai is not only meant to be seen, but to be felt, to be contemplated, to slow us down in the rush of modern life. The creative axis of the exhibition. Nearly 90% of the exhibited works were created by artisan Hoàng Lê Minh himself. This exhibition can be seen as both a personal creative milestone and a new directional statement for Vietnamese bonsai in an era of global exchange. Works such as Dai Chung Phu, Kiuk, Ngũ Lao Tọa Sơn, Rừng Amazon, Dang Tung, Bình Yin, Bình Di, Vọng Cô Hương, Nhân Duyên, Đường Lên Tay Trúc, Tam Jack. These are not merely poetic titles. They are life concepts, compressed into trunks, roots, canopies, and carefully measured empty space. Each piece is an open story, inviting the viewer to reflect and see themselves within it. The Hoàng Lê Minh bonsai style. Hanoi identity in a global mindset. The defining value of this exhibition lies in the Hoàng Lê Minh bonsai style, a harmonious synthesis of natural growth orientation, respecting the tree's original life force, the Hanoi pruning rhythm, subtle and restrained, with pauses, breathing space, and quiet elegance, and a breakthrough mindset refusing repetition, avoiding imitation of foreign schools. The works feel familiar to Vietnamese viewers, yet fresh and distinctive to international eyes. They speak in a clear voice. Vietnamese bonsai does not dissolve into the world. It enters the world with its own identity. Resonance and cultural reach. The exhibition attracted a wide range of visitors, local artisans, longtime bonsai enthusiasts, and international guests drawn by culture and art. For many encountering Vietnamese bonsai for the first time, the surprise lay in its philosophical depth and visual language. Some describe the exhibition not merely as a display, but as a soft declaration. Vietnamese bonsai is fully capable of stepping onto the global stage without losing itself. Opening the next journey. The exhibition has ended, but the story continues. Each bonsai still holds layers yet to be revealed. The creative journey, the artistic thinking behind each form, the failures, revisions, and moments of realization. Further insights into these works will be shared in upcoming videos as a slow journey deeper into the world of bonsai, where trees do not merely live, but tell stories about the human spirit.